One of my favourite arcade video games of my childhood was Battlezone, which was an Atari vector graphic game that came out in about 1980. It was brilliant because it had like a sort of sight that you looked through, like a periscope thing, and the graphics were pin sharp. They were vector graphics, much like Asteroids or like the original sit-down Star Wars game. I've had a go at making a version of this in Scratch to recreate it. I know you can play it in MAME, but I thought it might be interesting to have a go. So you can pan left and right. You can go forwards and backwards. The sort of tanks get bigger and smaller. You can fire. If you see, look, my scoring up here is kind of vector graphic style scoring. If the tank turns around and faces you, and you get hit, you lose a life. And notice I've lost a life up here. The old UFOs in there as well. So let's have a look if I go around here, see if I can get some more points. Can't fire at the UFO. That bit doesn't work yet. So there we go. I'm scanning left and right, and I'll move back out a little bit so you can just see the tank going further away. And you can see when you get it in your crosshairs, the crosshairs change, and that shows you when you're going to actually get a point. At the moment, the points just loop round. If you get more than 9,000 points, they go back to zero. It was quite good fun making this. For the graphics, it's just done using the vector graphics in Scratch, which are actually quite good for this. There is no 3D though. This is a really, really crude emulation of the game. There's only one tank. Objects aren't actually in real places at all. I don't have the animated volcano either. I haven't done that. I haven't managed to include that yet, although it'd be a nice thing to add. I did get a little bit frustrated making it that Scratch doesn't really like objects being off the screen. So the background scenery, notice the tank is getting stuck in the corner. The scenery all kind of collides into each other as well. If you move left and right too much, it all kind of stacks up. So I haven't really found an elegant solution for that yet. I'm sure there are ways of doing it, but a little bit frustrating. Scratch doesn't allow you to put an object way off screen and then move it back on again, but it doesn't seem to allow you to do that. Anyway, there we go. You might enjoy playing this. If I get this a little bit more playable, I will share it, and I will post a link on here. And if you want to get in touch with any more nostalgia and memories of your favourite video games of your childhood, I'd love to hear about them.